Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with shopperinformer.com, and today I'm going to unbox for you this O2 ring. It's a wearable oxygen monitor, a great product by Wellue. Let's get right into it. Inside the box, we've got our user's guide, a user's manual, warranty card, USB charge cable, and then the O2 monitor itself. Coming in for a closer look, this thing is very lightweight considering it does, and I think the size is appropriate as well. The band here is made of comfortable silicone, yes, and it has a little bit of a leash here on the bottom that snaps back, so depending on your finger size or where you're wearing it, it'll stay on nice and secure. And then on the inside on both sides is the little sensor, right? This lights up nice and red like that when it's doing its measurements. On the back side here is your micro USB port to recharge it. Up top we have a real easy to use display screen. Simply slide it on your finger. It's very comfortable. You can put this on your index finger, you can put it on your thumb, right? It starts to go through and do its measurements and readouts, and it gives you like a tactile vibration when it's done. And then by touching the little touchscreen button, you'll be able to cycle through the different readouts between oxygen and BPM. Now, getting the ring set up and connected to the app is simple and straightforward. Create an account and then get it synced up. And that's where you can really unlock the power of the O2 monitor right here. Not only are you going to be able to set your different threshold levels as to when you need alarms, whether your pulse drops too low or goes too high, and the same thing respectively with oxygen, but you're also going to be able to transfer the recorded data from the ring into the app every time you sync it. So what does that mean? Well, the ring has built-in memory and it can do it in 10-hour blocks. So typically you might wear this throughout the day or overnight while you're sleeping, so you can track those metrics for one reason or another. And as soon as you take the ring on, it stores that. Now, if you want that information transferred into the app, you log right in and it's going to transfer that data so that you can store it, save it, and review it over a longer period of time and really dive deeper into your metrics and track and trace things as they are happening. And really, that's the beauty of today's smart technology, whether that's a smart ring, smart watch, blood pressure monitors, etc. All these medical devices that you can wear and sync up via Bluetooth to an app and keep a better eye on your medical metrics. At the end of the day, this is a great product at a great price, very lightweight, comfortable, and easy to use. To find more great reviews, check out shopperinformer.com. You can find the link down in the description.